You and I know you ain't about that life. You beautiful mother jumpers, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Intisar Eleanor. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me. We are back and I have something from UNice Hair. So we are back. We're just doing a unit from UNice Hair. This is going to be a pretty easy wear and go situation. We have a 20-inch transparent lace wig. This is a 6 by 4.75 lace closure wig. Okay, so I'm going to leave that on there so you guys can see. So it looks pretty good, actually. It's already pre-plucked. It's already, the lace is already cut. Already pre-cut, okay? The lace is already cut, which looks really great as well. It has this vented cap, okay? Get into it, all right? Perfect for the summertime. She has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. They gave us the latex band to make sure that it just lays really nicely and flat up against the nape of your neck, as well as an adjustable band, just because this unit is completely glueless and they want to make sure she stays completely glueless. So along with this unit that is going for right now, this unit the one I have right now is 20 inches. It's going for just under $180 on unice.com. So you guys have to check them out. We are like loyal lovers of unice.com. So you guys definitely have to make sure you check on them. But I want to let you guys know what we got in this box. So we got our UNice bag, cannot be defined. I swear they changed these slogans, but I'm not mad at that because we are all changing, okay? Evolving. We got some lashes, wig cap, okay? As well as our just little our wig ready bag coming with our cap, the lashes, the makeup brush, and our wig band. So this is going to be easy. The truth is my face is already beat. I just gave y'all half the goddamn video right then and there, okay? We're just going to throw Mother on and see what she's working with. Now, before I really get into her, I really want to talk about this lace. I'm going to throw her on first. It's supposed to be a transparent lace. So to be clear, this is called a Kinky curly wig. I think I said water wave, but I was wrong about that. This is a Kinky curly wig, okay, from unice.com. Else to her. I think this is a very natural looking wig. She's supposed to be a kinky curly wig and she's giving just that. She's very soft to the touch. She was a bit crunch and munch when I first pulled her out. I was a bit about that, but I'm coming around, okay, because I do like the way that this unit feels. The texture of this unit feels absolutely positively wonderful, without any water. I did not hydrate her. Look at her though. She looking good out the scalp. Hold on, let me get my comb. Take a look at what Mother is giving, like right out. This looks very good. And she's pre-plucked. She really is beautifully done. I'm very happy with how these curls feel. You can do quite a bit with her. This unit, again, is a 6 by 4.75 closure wig. It did come with translucent lace. I'm doing this because translucent to whom? I ain't even mad at you though, because she's going for $178 at 20 inches. So if that requires, you should be tinting your lace or adding your color and tone to your lace anyway to make sure that it's a seamless install. You picking up what I'm putting down, girl? Because I be seeing some of y'all, including myself. Sometimes I wash a wig, forgot I washed it, throw that sucker on, and then get outside and be like, humbled. So yeah, my husband will be like, no you don't, stop lying, but I feel like I do. So I really do love the way this feels. She's very thick and nice. Look at how beautiful this is. This is my hair. Y'all know I look good with a big little bush. Y'all love when I wear big hair. What do y'all think? This was very love. So I'm back with our UNice wig. You saw her dry. I wanted to give you guys another alternative. So we're going to rock her wet. I'm going out to lunch with my girlfriend and I need something quick. It's right now 1:13 p.m. Let's just throw this wig on and go. So full disclosure, I'm beat. Gotta put on deodorant, okay? This unit, I pre-wet her. So this is what the curls look like wet. Okay, I just pre-wet her up. She's feeling really good, nice and soft. Let's just throw her on and get out of here. Looks very natural. Pull this up. Okay, so I actually prefer the bigger curls. It's just a vibe for me. But for some people, they want something that's a little bit more easier to deal with, and that's yes. Okay. So we're gonna add a little bit of shea moisture because I gotta get out of here. Because we want our curls to hold. Ooh, just dripping. Okay. And I'm just gonna run my fingers right on down and through the hair. Okay. I don't like to use like a brush too much because I like the way the hair looks. So we don't want to like jack it up. You know what I mean? Ooh, look at her. Right? And I'm just doing little ringlets at the front. I love this texture. Okay, y'all, so I have to go meet my girlfriend and I'm super excited about this. I haven't seen her in months. So we're going out to lunch, which is why I'm kind of rushing. But this unit is absolutely stunning. I'm putting in my Bottega dupe earrings that I'll leave the link for that below so you guys can check them out and get you some because I got 2 pairs. Okay, so this unit is absolutely stunning. The texture is so beautiful. It really is giving kinky curly like 4B hair, which I love. So all the 4B girlies, this is really where we would be sitting if you're picking up what I'm putting down. We just went on through, flattened out the top, okay, added some of our Shea Moisture frizz-free curl mousse, and I could not be happier with the product. I'm so glad we decided to wet her. I do, in all honesty, love big sexy hair, period. I like it much better when it's natural and dry and big and sexy. However, this wet look is giving, okay? And when she dries, she's gonna look really, really good. And I'm super excited about how she's gonna give us a nice little, okay? All right, are you picking up what I'm putting down? This unit for the price is really, really good. Specifically because the texture of this hair when wet is ignorant, nasty, filthy, disgusting. Okay, so to me, for 20 inches at just under $180, chef's kiss. They did the thing. They did the thing. Okay, so UNice, if you are unfamiliar, you need to get familiar. You need to go check them out. Their website is extensive. They have all types of units. I'm really happy we decided to wet this one up. Okay, and it was easy. It was fast. It was easy. And honestly, I gotta go. I'm messing around with y'all. So if you are new here, I'm your girl Intisar Eleanor. Thank you again for joining me. This unit is big head friendly. She did shed a bit, okay, but that's okay. The lace Parting space, beautiful. Everything is beautiful. I just wish I had a little, something about it is off. Something about it is off. I'm not sure what it is, but it's a little bit off. So we'll figure that out at another time. I still think this unit is worth it. Big period. Okay, so bust down, subscribe to this Mammy Tapping channel, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye. Gotta go.